Are you thinking about applying for postgraduate studies abroad and you can't decide on the next step? Check your options at the my.um.si website. At its 17 faculties, the University of Maribor offers 64 master's and 33 doctoral study programs in a wide range of fields. So how can you become a student here at the University of Maribor? Let's go through the steps. First, let's talk about admission requirements. Would you like to continue your studies in the same field of your graduation? Or are you trying to apply for a program in a different field? Check the UM website or just ask the Student Affairs Office at the specific faculty whether you have to pass additional study obligations or bridging exams before you can enroll. Some study programs also require a certain level of proficiency in Slovene. If you're applying for a doctoral study program, keep in mind that before enrollment, you have to choose a working supervisor, a narrow area of research, and prepare a content plan and time schedule of your studies. You can apply in 2 application periods, so be aware of the different deadlines. In the first application period, citizens of EU countries, foreign candidates whose parents or legal guardians are tax residents of the Republic of Slovenia and have a permanent residence here, as well as candidates who have been granted international protection, can apply from the end of March to the beginning of September. Non-EU member states and Slovenians without Slovenian citizenship can apply from the end of March to the end of May. You should apply as soon as possible. Don't worry if you don't have your graduate degree yet. You don't need it for applying, but you do need it later for enrollment. In the first application period, you can submit up to 3 applications. They must be submitted online through the EVŠ internet portal. You can find the link to the portal on the website. To log into the portal, you can use a username and password or an electronic identity. Don't forget to press the Submit button in the EVŠ to make your application valid. Keep in mind that if you use a username and password, you have to print the final version of your application, sign it, and then send it by registered mail to the selected faculty, along with all the other required documents. Another important step. If you've earned your graduate degree abroad, you will need a decision on the recognition of foreign academic qualifications. Don't worry if you don't have it yet. The online application submitted in the EVŠ portal also counts as the application for this recognition. For the recognition procedure, you must send the diploma or final certificate of your previous education and a translation of the certificate in Slovene or English by court-appointed translator, the diploma supplement and transcripts of records and their translation in Slovene or English, a short chronological description of your previous education which you've prepared and signed yourself. You can find all the latest information about the required documents on our website. If any other documents are needed, you will be informed by our email. If there are more applications than there are enrollment places available, the study program will have limited enrollment and candidates will be selected based on criteria in the admission requirements of individual study programs. If you've been selected, you'll be invited to enroll in the program by mid-September for EU candidates or by the end of June for non-EU candidates. So, what to do if you have missed the first application period, haven't been accepted to the programs you chose, or the study program you applied for won't be carried out? You can apply in the second application period. EU citizens can usually apply from mid to the end of September and non-EU citizens from the beginning of July to the beginning of September. But be careful, either way you must be enrolled by the end of September. What about the tuition fee? You don't have to pay it as long as you're applying for full-time master studies, come from the European Union, and you haven't yet taken advantage of your right to a free study at this level. Countries with which the Republic of Slovenia has signed bilateral agreements are also eligible for the same financing: Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Kosovo, North Macedonia, and Serbia. Otherwise, check the tariff list at the UM website. If you're applying for doctoral study programs, you can also check the possibility of financing your studies by applying for the co-funding of doctoral studies at the University of Maribor. This was a short presentation on how to apply for postgraduate studies at the University of Maribor. You can find all the information on the website, or you can ask your questions via email or telephone. I warmly welcome you to join me here in Maribor. It's not just a great university, it's the friendly people, good food, beautiful nature, rich culture, and so much more.